welcome back to another weekly vlog, week in my life type thing. I hope that you all enjoy it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's a fly in here. Oh, it's a ladybug. No, don't go away. I gotta look up the spiritual meaning. I always look up the spiritual meaning. But yeah, anyways, I hope that you all enjoy this vlog. It's not too much, I feel like, but it's still good. So I hope that you all enjoy it, and yeah, keep watching. About to get started on an order. I'm just gonna prep and put the glitters and flowers inside, and then once I get back in the house, I'm gonna fill them. I'm gonna get some content for Instagram. So far this week I have 4 orders to fulfill. It is Monday, so we planning on getting some more orders. I'm just manifesting it. Business has been low-key booming. It has been picking up a little bit, so hopefully we get some more orders this week. And of course I'm going to be doing my other source of income, my side hustle, gig work. So I'm going to take y'all along a little bit with that. I hope that you all enjoy this video. Watch me work. As y'all can see, I'm outside now. I didn't change my clothes. Got out here like 5 minutes ago, and I think I'm about to go back in the house because I do not feel good. Like, I literally feel horrible. My stomach is hurting so bad right now. So yeah, I'm mad because I wasted my gas, and gas is high right now, like extremely high. Inflation is real right now, okay? So yeah, I don't feel good, so I'm probably about to just take it on in. I can't do it. Like, my stomach is killing me right now. It's so painful. Probably gonna come back out tomorrow. I'm gonna just go home and finish working on that order and get another one done, and then the other 2 orders will probably go out on like Thursday. Those are like bigger orders. I think that's what I'm about to do because nothing has come in that's worth doing, and I don't feel good, and I don't even think I feel like talking to people for real. Yeah, I definitely just lied. So bro, I do not feel good, but I just got an order. I think it said 1083, and I literally just forgot to screenshot both of them. So that one had came through, and then another one came through. It's just a small one, 642. I decided to do it just because, I don't know, after I'm done with these orders I may go in. So $16 on a Monday. At least I can say I did something today, gig work wise. So let's go pick up these 2 orders. One is from Red Robin and the other one is from Buffalo Wild Wings. Hopefully they do not take long to get done. I have both orders, Red Robin and Buffalo Wild Wings. Red Robin is getting dropped off first. It is a leave at door. Okay, so I'm back at Buffalo Wild Wings. for my third order. This will probably be my last order because this one is taking me close to home again. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be done after this. It's about to be 7 o'clock and my stomach is still hurting, but I just wanted to make something today. I'm trying to go out every day this week. Last week, I think the only day I didn't go out was Tuesday. I did pretty good last week. I made over $400, which is okay, but I usually make about 600. Sometimes if it's like really, really good, I'll make 700, but I'm usually hitting like 600. So I'm gonna try to go out every day this week and just make as much as I can to keep the money flowing, and I'm gonna keep promoting. I did post something earlier, so I should post again, but I'll probably just end up posting something else tomorrow. And of course, y'all know I gotta get some more content with the orders that I do have to fulfill. It is the next day, as y'all can see. Your girl is done with the squeeze suit. Filling content.
That's what I think they should do. Like make you do some time and then take all of your shit.
Now I'm about to take a few pictures of the tubes.
Pigs come. The pigs come. The pigs come. Check the pigs.
And then I'm going to go ahead and get this 10 wand tube order done. And then I'll be done with that for the day. I'm going to ship the other 2 orders off probably Thursday or Friday. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'm going to pack them up, drop them off at the post office. Then I'll be back outside to do some more gig work. Both orders are done. About to pack them up real quick and see if I can make it to the post office. So I got just a few pictures and video. So pretty. So yeah, this is my work for today. I will do the rest probably tomorrow. So I made it to the post office in time. It is 4:54. I cannot wait to move. Hopefully I can get an apartment closer to the post office because I be running out of time and I do not like doing the whole pickup thing. I like to drop off myself. So yeah, we made it. So I'm about to go drop these off and then I can finally like breathe and relax a little bit. We got our first 2 orders for today. It is currently 5:40. I'm gonna put them on the screen because I remember to screenshot them today. 11:36, and the second one is $8 and some change, both at Red Robin, so that's easy pickup. Yeah, so we starting off, and yesterday we made 30 something. I'll be sure to put that on the screen as well. Hopefully we can make more. Like I said, I think I said earlier, I'm feeling good today, so I'm gonna stay out a little later and try to make as much money as I can before it dries up. It is Tuesday, so you know it's not gonna be like super busy on Tuesday, but I should be able to make something. So yeah, let's go ahead and be on our way. Put the one that I'm dropping off second into my hot bag. I'm 7 minutes away from the first drop off. On my way to the next drop off, 7 minutes away. That one kind of irritated me a little bit because it would not go through. Like every time I click delivery, it would say something was wrong with my connection. But I finally got it to go through, and now we on our way to the next drop off. And then hopefully it will not take us long to get another order. That order is dropped off. I just accepted my first ever Instacart order. I had downloaded Instacart and like signed up for it, I want to say like 2 years ago, but I never used it because my business was doing good. I got it because I was like, if my business was slow, then I'd use it. So since I'm doing Uber Eats and DoorDash, I was like, you know what, let me see about Instacart now. I had ordered a new car and it came yesterday, and I think it's in my bag, so I had to deliver this order by 6:48. It is 6:20 and they only got 2 items, and I want to say it was $22 because that's why I took it, because it was $22. So hopefully that's actually what it was. I have no idea how tips and stuff work on Instacart. I have no idea how Instacart works. When I worked at Kroger, I would have lots of people come in and do Instacart, but I don't know actually how it works from like a shopper's point of view. So we finna see. It's an easy order. I just hope that they have the stuff, and I hope that I can get there in time. Y'all, I'm so irritated. So they didn't have what the person wanted, like the initial item that the person wanted, and they left 2 substitutions. I picked up one of the substitutions, and I'm literally standing, wasting my time in the line waiting because I can't go to self-checkout when doing Instacart. And then as soon as I get right up, about to get my item scanned, he texts me and says, no thanks. So now I have to go to freaking support to get this order canceled because I don't want it to like affect my account or anything. I'm so annoyed. I talked to the support lady and she was very sweet and quick. Usually the support people be slow as hell to get problems solved, but she was very quick, and I ended up getting $7, which I guess is the batch earnings. So I guess that's good, but I'm still irritated because it's like, why put that as a substitution if you didn't want it? Usually when people put stuff as substitutions, they're okay with getting that if the first thing is not available. So why would you put that as a substitution? It just didn't make sense to me, and I'm very annoyed by that, honestly, because I wasted my time. And now it's 7:10 and it's starting to like slow down, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make any more money tonight from like gig work. But yeah, that was my first Instacart order, and I'm not really happy with how it went, but I am glad that they did give me some money though, because I didn't think they were going to give me anything. So yeah, so I'm about to just sit out here for a little bit, and if nothing comes in, then I'm going to go home and I'll come out early tomorrow. So yeah, maybe we'll have better luck tomorrow. Some people are just dumb. That was very stupid. Very stupid. Come on now. Like, don't put a substitution down if that's not something that you would eat or want. So it is Friday now. I'm about to go ahead and fill these tubes up. It's 11 o'clock right now. About to get this done real quick. I did these ones yesterday, 20 tubes, and I'm going to ship both of these orders off today, and then I'll be outside making me some money. Friday is money making day, okay? Friday is the day to make some money, so I will definitely be outside, and I'm going out earlier, so I should be able to make a good amount. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and do this real quick, and then I'll come back. About to pack these orders up real fast and then drop them off. Y'all see how big this is? Got this from Amazon, and this lasts a very long time. So I'm actually going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little week in my life doing what I do. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on Tuesday and Thursday. I am back for real. I already have the videos done and ready to go. Your girl got her motivation back, and I'm ready to just grow and elevate and get back to filming content for my YouTube, doing what I love. So yeah, I will see you guys next week.